How to create images with Chat GPT. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is by using the application of Chat GPT. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Chat GPT. Now click on search. Tap on Chat GPT and click on install. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on three lines. Now simply tap on login, then log in into your account. Simply tap on continue with Google. Now select your Google account and wait for some time. Now tap on ask anything. You can simply tap on create image. Now type the prompt. Now tap on send. Now wait for some time. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type ChatGPT. Then click on search. Now scroll down. Now open up the ChatGPT website. Now switch to the tab. Now tap on login. Now log in into your account. Again wait for some time. Now once you log in, tap on ask anything. Now type create image. Now type the prompt and click on send. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.